Nowadays, people are very reactive. We have a lot of impulses, automatic impulses. Like if we see something like slide, landslide, or something like that, and suddenly we have a lot of reaction, and then there's a lot of physically unpleasant sensation comes in the mind. Automatic talks, or this is now go, this is something. So normally there's a lot of question people how to work with the automatic impulses. So normally the most important is to be aware. Just bring awareness. Okay, I'm now reacting and see the sensations in the body, that pleasant or unpleasant sensations. And then there's automatic talking. You have conversation. Just watch. Then image. So it doesn't work like I don't want to react. I don't want to have impulses. I want to control. It doesn't work very well. Like if you said no pizza, no pizza, more pizza comes, right? But then if you follow and the loss with this automatic impulses, then the big problem. So what we need to do is just catch. Then still we might have some habit. We still react. But even if you can catch 2 seconds, 3 seconds, after a certain level, really helps. Then we might have the self-control, self-awareness become more and more. And then after a certain level, we have choice, react or not react. If you can catch this reaction. So this for me is really beneficial to bring, just to be aware, the self-awareness.